What can cause an engine misfire? Now, in order for a cylinder to fire, we need three things. A compression, we need some fuel, and then we need ignition or spark. So, misfires can be caused on the spark side by ignition coils or spark plugs or wiring problems. On the fuel side, we just had a E350 Ford van in, and one of the fuel injectors was not spraying properly, and so that caused the misfire, so we didn't have enough fuel there. We could also have a vacuum leak that causes a misfire, and then we've had two European vehicles in here recently, an Audi and a Volkswagen, and both had some mechanical problems with the valve train that was causing the valves to not function properly, and those caused misfires.